Today, we're diving into the world of RAM with the G.Skill Sniper Series DDR3 16GB RAM kit. This kit is a powerhouse, boasting a total of 16GB split into two 8GB modules, making it perfect for those who demand top-notch performance from their systems. Running at an impressive speed of 1866 MHz, this RAM doesn't hold back when it comes to delivering lightning-fast data transfer rates. One of the standout features of this kit is its low latency timings of 9-10-9-28, ensuring that data is processed swiftly and efficiently. Coupled with a voltage rating of 1.5 V, this RAM strikes a perfect balance between performance and energy efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, this kit has got you covered with its exceptional speed and reliability. But performance isn't the only thing this RAM kit brings to the table. G.Skill has also gone the extra mile with its unique gun design heatsinks, not only enhancing the aesthetics of your system but also ensuring optimal heat dissipation for prolonged usage without overheating concerns. Furthermore, weighing in as a lightweight option, this RAM kit is easy to install and won't weigh down your system unnecessarily. Plus, with the reliability and quality that G.Skill is known for, you can trust that this RAM kit will keep your system running smoothly for years to come. In conclusion, the G.Skill Sniper Series DDR3 16GB RAM kit is a true powerhouse, offering unparalleled performance, reliability, and aesthetics. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a multitasker, this kit ticks all the boxes, making it a must-have for anyone looking to take their system to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.